quick little walk around for you, showing any imperfections in the paint we have here. So the first notable one will be right here on the door. If you can see this, it's super light, something you can't even feel with your hand. So it should be able to be buffed out. There you go, there's a better view of it there. And then zooming out so you can see its location and size. And then moving around here, there is a little door ding. Let's see if I can find it. Right here. It's a little tiny ding. Right there. The wheels on this side of the vehicle are in awesome shape. And as we move around, the car does need a bath, so it's got a bird had a little heyday on her here, but none of these are going to be marks here. This is the worst one right here. It appears to be a repaired spot. Keep on moving. And the wheels on this side as well look just as good. The clear coat on this mirror is having a little bit of an issue. We'll keep moving around. The last notable mark will be right in the crease of the hood. You really have to get up on it to see it here. It looks as if the front hood here was pried open, because it was. It didn't work when we received it. We did replace the motor mechanism, the electronic part that opens that latch. But it appears that someone had to have pried their way in there. Now the headlights are a little bit foggy, but we have the compound on order to get those cleared up, so those will not be an issue. Moving to the interior. The interior has slight scuffing right over here, as well as just typical wear on the driver's seat, you know. I mean, most of the time these cars will have a single person in them. And then the one thing is this cup holder piece here does not clip back into the dash. It needs a new clip or something along the lines, but that is the only imperfection in here. All the lights on the dash work but are not turned on because the car is in perfect working order. But let me fire it up for you, give you a hear of the exhaust. Thank you guys for tuning into my Porsche video. This is the 2003 911 Carrera S. And if you have any other questions or want to see anything more in depth, please just let me know and I'll make you another video of that. Have a great day.